What's up, Queen Divas? So I have some gender reveal knitted sugar cookies. These are so cute and darling, at least I think. What do you think? Well, let's get right into the video. But first, let me introduce myself. I am the DIY Queen Diva. And don't forget to hit that subscribe, bell button, and like button to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends. Okay, so you need your heart cookie cutter, your sugar cookies, and your fondant. I have pink, blue, and white. So I am getting my fondant ready to roll in my hands. Sometimes I have to use a fondant roller to roll this fondant out until all the fondant feels even. So I am just going to roll the fondant out on the mat. Now I will be getting my pink fondant and my blue fondant, and I will roll them out on the mat just like I did the white fondant. Now I have my blue fondant, so I will be doing the exact same thing that I did with my pink and my white fondant. So I am just trying to make sure they're all about the same length and size. Okay, so I have my pink and white fondant, and I will do the same thing with my blue and white fondant. I am just crossing the fondant pieces over one another. Just keep crossing and twisting over one another. Okay, so now I am taking the pink and white fondant and I am just rolling it out. So I am just measuring out my pieces. I'll do about 6 strips for each cookie. So I am placing all of my fondant pieces down, and then I will take the cookie cutter and go over the cookie to make the fondant an even heart-shaped cut. Make sure you align your cookie cutter with the cookie so you can have a perfect cut. Gently push the cookie out. Okay, so now I have my bow silicone mold, and I am just going to put some fondant inside of the mold and make a bow and place on the cookie. I am just trying to figure out where I should place this bow. Should it be in the middle or on the side of the heart? Now I am going to get some sprinkles and probably put a bead in the middle of the bow and maybe one or two on the cookie. Okay, so now I have my blue fondant and I am going to do blue roses for this cookie. So I use my rose silicone mold for the roses. And then I roll out my blue fondant just like I did the white and pink fondant. I take my white fondant and I do the same thing. So it's just basically going to be repeating the same steps and doing the same process as the pink and white sugar cookie. I twist my fondant, then I cut in about 6 pieces and place it on the cookie. If your fondant doesn't stick to the cookie, just place water on the back of the fondant, just a dab of water before placing it on the cookie. I'm cutting about 5 to 6 strips of fondant to place on the cookie, and then I'll take my cookie cutter and top over the cookie one more time for a clean cut with the fondant. Take your cookie cutter and cut through the cookie. I am placing my fondant roses down, and then I'll use probably some white pearls. Yeah, I'll use some white pearls to place inside the roses. So enjoy your weekend. I'm done here. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share my channel. And make sure you tell your friends and family about my channel. Bye bye. Have a great weekend.